Hi friends, so this is a bit of an update video. I am moving with my family from this house to our new house, and I will be having some moving videos and packing videos and me cleaning videos, so stay tuned for those. I will still be having some crochet videos, like my podcasts, my tutorials, and I will still be talking about Jesus and the Bible all on this channel. So, that is what I will be doing. And this is what is going on in my life. Life has been a little bit stressful with packing, cleaning, everything, because we're doing so much stuff right now. We're like cleaning. We have to clean because we're selling our house right now, and we have to do some other stuff, like for me with homeschooling. I'm still being homeschooled. I'm still in high school. Also, we're gonna have to see what the rules are with that at school where we're moving into, and that is what's going on in our lives. Anyways, and I will, once we move down there, I will have a room tour for you guys. Nice to see, and that is what we're doing. So, yeah. I hope you liked that video. If you did, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day.